Recording. Okay. So in today's class, I'm going to discuss on mean and median questions. Mean and median. So before starting the questions, I always had this habit. Let me give a question, let you face the reality, then I explain the concept, then you'd be able to do it better. That is always, I always feel as such. So now I'm opening any practice test that I had with me, general practice test. So in this paper, let me see the questions that they are there on mean and median. We'll solve one or two questions. You see the difficulty, how difficult they are. Then I'll explain you the concept. Follow that. You'll be able to solve any question that comes as part of the exam. Pakka. So, okay, okay. Okay. Everyone try to solve and give me your answer for 22. Don't worry. Uh, don't worry what exactly is happening here. Don't worry what is happening about range and standard deviation. Range means highest minus lowest. Standard deviation means how much the data is deviating. More deviation, more the deviation. One student got 1 mark, other student got 10 marks, other student got 20 marks. There are 3 more friends who got 5, 6, 7. In 5, 6, 7, less deviation. In 1, 10, 20, there is more deviation. As simple as that. So don't get worried by looking at the terms range and standard deviation. Range is highest minus lowest. Standard deviation is how much the given data is deviating. Try to answer 22nd question and try to give me your answer, whether it is right or wrong, no problem. Then I'll give few more questions. Then we'll solve. Then I'll explain you what is mean, median, how to approach the questions. Then you'll understand it better. You can do any question as part of the exam. Very good. 2 students have given some answer. Don't worry whether you do it right or wrong, but you should first attack the question and read the question and try to answer. Then I'll explain the concept. Everyone would be able to solve. Seven students gave me answer. Very good. All the students who gave me answer except 1 or 2, they gave me correct answers. Except 1 or 2, most of them give correct answers. So very good. Your answer should be median. Even my answer is median. Let me discuss why it is median. So what he says, see here. So there are 15 horses, 1, 2, 3, some so on, 15 horses. We know the middle number is median. Now what I'm doing, I'm reducing the number, still the number which is less, I'm reducing it by 10 more. So the middle number still stays as middle number only. There is no difference in the middle number. There is no effect on the middle number because you are reducing the smallest number in the set. So definitely answer should be median. So who answered it correctly? Good. But let me give you more interesting questions. It's very interesting questions would be there where people simply make mistakes for different reasons. Please tell me answer for 34. I'm sure very, very few can answer this. They're asking what is the median. It is a question based on the median. So try to give me answer for 34. Please do focus on the questions and do them. Then if I explain the concepts, you can understand it better. You'll not make mistakes. Then I'll make you solve actual questions. So they're asking what is the median for this given data? Number of goals scored by a soccer team in 29 games. This is the number of games. Based on the graph, how many of the games played by a soccer team scored goals equal to the median number of goals for the 29 games? I'm challenging 99% of the students will give wrong answer for this simple question. This is a very simple question. 99% of the students will give wrong answer. Yeah, because you don't understand what is the exact meaning of median. We'll discuss. But median is simple. What you are thinking is correct. Middlemost value. That's it. If I know that properly, I can solve this question. Very good. Excellent. I think some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students give. I think all of them are wrong. That is what is my assumption so far. 8 students gave me answer. None of them are correct. 9 students gave me answer. They're wrong. Everyone, just read the question again. Try to understand. Simple logic to get good score in SAT. Understand where exactly you are missing. Identify the best way to solve that question. Don't try to repeat the mistake. You are the winner. Very good. Who is this? Yeah, I think just now one student, Neha, I think she might be correct. So 14 to 15 students gave me answer. Most of them are wrong. No, almost 20 students gave me answer. None of them are correct. You are not thinking. Please do read the question carefully. Please do read the question carefully. There'll be only one answer. There can't be two answers. Okay. I'll ask a simple question. Simple question I'll ask to people. I want soccer team score goals equal to the median number of goals. I want number of goals. Number of goals are between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how people are getting answer as 9. Something people are typing like an intelligent people. Problem with the students is they don't understand what you need to find, but you are hurried to find something. No, yeah. First, identify what exactly you need to find and listen to me carefully for next 5 minutes. First, I'll cover median concept. I'll teach you the things that are required to solve any question on median. Then I'll come to mean. So please listen to my concepts carefully for next 5 to 10 minutes. So what is median? Yes, correct. Middlemost value. That's it. Then why are we making mistake? Why are we unable to do the things? So when I say middlemost term, first thing that you need to do is you need to identify middlemost term of what I need to find. Suppose if I give you 2, 9, 15, if I ask you what is the middlemost term, you'll close your eyes and say 9 is the middlemost term. Without any hesitation, you'll say 9 is the middlemost term. Correct, right? Now, first, what is the first thing that I'm required to find? I need to know for what, for x-axis or for y-axis, I need to find the median. That is the most important thing, which students should analyze even before you start solving the question. What is the first thing that you need to identify? You need to identify whether you are finding the median for the x-axis part or y-axis part. Most important. You don't realize, you jump into the question, 100% you make it wrong. So when I look into this question, let me take this question as an example. Based on the graph, in how many of the games played did the soccer team score goals? He's asking, oh, sorry, in how many of the games played? Sorry, he's asking for the how many of the games played. Yeah, did the soccer team score goals equal to the median number of goals for the 29 games? Okay, I am sorry. He's asking about the number of games. He's asking about the games. I did not even read the question. Sorry, I thought median number of goals only. I did not read. Right now, I am reading the question. I'm extremely sorry. Based on the graph, in how many of the games played, he's asking for y-axis only, number of games. Then I am usually wrong. 9 can be correct. I don't know what is the answer or what is not the answer. I don't know. I'm extremely sorry. Might be correct. I did not read the question properly. I'm extremely sorry. Yeah. Now I need to read what exactly they're asking me to find. First thing, when I try to find what is the thing, based on the graph above, how many of the games played did the soccer team score goals equal to the median number of goals? The question paper setter is very smart. He is asking two questions on this indirectly. First, identify the median number of games, median number of goals for 29 games. For that, suppose if it is 3, find the number of games. Indirectly is asking you to find the y value only, but is asking you to find the y value for the median number of the goals for 29 games. So I need to find what is the median number of goals for this. There are 29 games. Why there are 29 games? Number one, number of goals scored, one. Only one goal is scored in how many games? 8 games. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on. 2 is scored in how many games? 9 games. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3 is scored in how many games? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 is scored in 3 games. 5 is scored in 2 games. 7 is scored in 1 game. So this is my total number of goals scored. So what is the middlemost value? There are 29 goals. So 29, yeah, that I'll teach you. I'll find the middle value. I know the middle value according to this should be 2. I know. I'll teach you how to find. So for 2, how many games did I play? So for 2, how many games did I play is 9. I'm extremely sorry I did not read even the question. So first of all, we need to identify what they are asking for. This question is based on median, but he's not asking the median. For the median, what is the number of games played? He's going bit above than what is required to find. Finally, I need to find the number of games. If he did not give this, what is the median number of goals for the 29 games? Then your answer would have been 2. Okay, so now come back here. First, we need to find whether he's asking median for x-axis or median for y-axis. In the question that I had given, he's asking the median for the x-axis, but the question is, for the median for the x-axis, what is the y value? First, please identify whether you're asking the x value or the y value. Now, once we identify, you write the terms like I wrote, but in exam, you'll not have so much time. You need to be smart enough. So how do I find median? Listen to me carefully. How do I find median? Suppose if there are 5 terms, 5, 9, 20, 30, 50. I know 20 is my middle term because they're arranged in order. 20 is the middle term. Why 20? 5 plus 1 by 2, which is 3. Third term is my median term. So what is my third term here? This is my third term. So if there are odd number of terms, n plus 1 by 2th term will be your median. Suppose I have only 5, 9, 20 and 30. Now there are only 4 terms. Then I can see 2 terms as my middle number of terms. One is 4 by 2 and other is 4 by 2 plus 1, means second term and third term. So this is my second term and third term. Average of second and third, 29 by 2, 14.5. So next is how to find median. So how to find median? If there are odd number of terms, n plus 1 by 2th term will be your median. If there are 5 terms, 5 plus 1 by 2, which is third term. If there are even number of terms, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term, I'll find those 2 terms. Here 4 by 2, which is second, 4 by 2 plus 1, which is third. I'll find second term and third term, and I'll find average of those 2 terms. Correct, right? That is going to give me the median for those 2 terms that is mentioned here. Soft copy here. Why I need hard copy? Send me one good soft copy. So now, but problem is they don't give so simple terms here. In exam, they don't give 3, 5, 7, 8 or 4 terms. Now they give 29 terms. You have seen, right? So if I see this question, how many terms they are given here? They give 29 terms. So I cannot go on writing. But I know there are 29 games, means 29 goals. So since there are 29 terms, immediately my mind will say 29 plus 1 by 2. 29 plus 1 by 2, 30 by 2, which is 15th term. I need to look for 15th goal. Goal number 1 has come 8 times. Goal number 2 has come 9 times. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 15th also should be 2. From 9 till 17, all the terms are 2. So 15th is also 2. So median number of goals scored is 2, but is not asking the median number of goals scored. For the median number of goals, how many games they have played. So answer should be definitely 9. Who got 9? Good. In this way, not by luck. If you got in this way, you are perfect. That is how you need to answer. So when I'm doing median, two to three things I need to keep in mind. What are the 2 to 3 things? First is, please do identify whether I need to find the median for x-axis values or for y-axis values. Then once you identify, I know if the number of terms are even, n by 2th term will give me my median. If the number of terms are odd, n plus 1 by 2th term. If the number of terms are even, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. But in SAT exam, you don't have so much time to write all the terms. So you need to do calculations in your brain. Now I have 29 terms, odd number of terms. Since I have 29 terms, 29 plus 1 by 2, 15th term. What is my 15th term? You need to think. 1 has come 8 times. Let me write just for you to understand. Let me write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 7, 8, 8 times. Now 2 has come 9 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. See how boring it is to write these terms. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on. Now I need to find which is the 15th term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. So 15th term is 2. So the median number of goals scored is 2. For that, how many games have played is asking the y value. So 9, definitely 9 should be answered. Who gave 9? You are correct here. Sorry, I did not read the entire question. I just read this one. Okay. So first we'll identify whether they're asking to find x and y axis value. Then based on this, we'll identify. Now let us see the median questions. What are their median questions, and we'll try to solve. Now this question answer is 9. I hope everyone have understood. Everyone in the class might have understood how to solve this. Yeah. So again, he's asking, please give me perfect answer for 37. See, there are 2 questions. Please do give me perfect answer for 37th question. Everyone in the class should give me perfect answer for 37th. Even let me read the question. Please be careful. Give me perfect, proper answer. Good. Answers started coming. I don't know how far it is correct. Everyone should do. If you do this question, you understood what is the meaning of median. We'll solve many more questions. Then I'll teach you mean, then range, then standard deviation, then scatter plot, then box plot. Many topics are there. We'll do step by step. Okay, 2 students gave me answer. 2 gave 2 different answers. So definitely 3 students gave me their answers. Four students have given me answers. He is already asking in million. So if you write, suppose your answer as 1300, 1300 million, you need to be careful. Very good. Most of you are giving the same answer. And good thing is most of you are giving me the answers. I'm happy for that. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. Many have given me the answers. Almost 17 students have given the answer. Even others who could not give me the answer, please do give me answer. If you cannot understand, please do get it clarity right now from me so that you can solve any question. These are the actual SAT questions. You can expect to get similar questions. Yeah, even others should give me answers. So far, Abhinav, Pavan, Mayuka, Harsha, Aditya, Harini, Yashashvi, Siddharth, Bharani, Junaid, Abhinav, Gururaj, Neha. So these students gave me answer, even others. Everyone should be active in my class here. So if there are 26 students, I expect all 26 students to get 800 out of 800. Then only I have done justice, or you have done justice to yourself. If you can get 800, then only you get good score in SAT. And it is easy to get 800 in math and 400 in writing. Writing, it is more easier to get 400 than math. It's very easy. Based on the information given in the table, how much greater in millions was the median number of international students arrivals in the top 9 tourist destinations? So he's asking me to find the median in this case, and subtract both of them. But unfortunately, they are arranged in order or not. Yeah, they're arranged in order. So now I need to find the middlemost of 9 terms. So when there are 9 terms, I know fifth term is my median. This is my fifth term. So 47.7 in 2013 and 46.4 in 2012. So that minus this is 1.3. How simple is this? So who did not solve or who did not give me answer? I'm feeling definitely bad for you. You should be motivated. 9th class people who are also there in this batch, they're giving answers. So some 12th class, 12th passed are not giving answers. Not good here. Be active and do. So now let me also explain mean, because it is easy for us to do both mean and median questions. And there is few questions combination of mean and median which I want to teach. So let me teach you the concept of mean. So for next 10 minutes, your focus should be on my words. So what are the things that I require based on the mean when I'm solving an SAT question? So mean is also called as average. It is also called as arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. It is called as mean, average, or arithmetic mean. So what is the meaning of mean? Sum of the terms by number of terms. That's it. I don't want more than this. So sum of the terms by number of terms is said to be my mean or average or arithmetic mean. Okay, but there are few most important things which students fail to realize and which you should know. Try to find mean for 5, 10, 15, 12. Try to find mean for 5, 10, and 12. So 5 plus 10 plus 12 by 3, 27 by 3, which is 9. So the mean for 5, 10, and 12 is 9. Now, this everyone in the class will be able to do. Simple. Now, my question is, see here. If I remove the smallest number from the set, most important concept, rarely, very few in the class knows this, or any number less than the mean. I don't have a number less than mean here, means less than a number 9 here. Suppose even you have 8 or 7, you are removing those. If I remove a smallest number or any number less than the mean, what happens to the mean? Listen to my question carefully. If they want to ask some critical questions, they'll apply, SAT applies these concepts, and nowhere you get these in books. With my experience, I'm teaching you, so please get hold of the things. Suppose you found mean of some set, and you want to remove a number less than mean, or the smallest number or less than mean, then what happens? Suppose now I have two numbers here. One number is 10, other number is 12. I have two numbers here. So what is the mean of 10 and 12? 11. Previous mean is 9. The new mean is 11. So What is the moral that we have learned? If I remove a smallest number or a number less than the mean, the new mean will increase. Most important point, please do write in your notes. If I remove a number less than mean, any number, if I remove 5 here, definitely the new mean will be greater than the original mean. Same thing. If I remove a number greater than the mean, suppose if I remove either 10 or 12, let me remove 12. So 5 plus 10 by 2, 7.5. So the new mean will be less than the original mean. So two concepts we have learned. One is from the given set, if I remove a number which is less than the mean, the new mean will increase. From the given set, if I remove a number greater than the mean, the mean will decrease. Most important points, please do keep in your brain. And what is the meaning of mean? The meaning of mean is sum of terms by number of terms. Sum of SOM, not so. Sum of terms by number of terms. If even one term changes, the sum changes, so definitely the mean will change. Mean gets affected very easily, but not the case with the median. Suppose if you are removing, see here, if this is my median, if you are reducing the number less than the median will not change. If you are increasing the number greater than the median, suppose let the numbers greater be 18, 20, 25. I am making them 23. I am adding by 5, 25, 30. The median will change? No. So if you already know the median, for the numbers less than the median, if you are reducing, they still become less. And for the numbers greater than when you are increasing, the new median will never change, or the median will not change, or it will be kept as it is. Okay? Yeah. Mean will change even if one term changes, not the case with the median. Okay? Next, most important concept. See here. Most important concept. Students will not recognize this as part of the exam. Now, I want to find mean of 2, 5, 10, and 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, what is the mean of this? Listen here. I see frequent questions on this concept. They don't give numbers. That is a problem, right? They give everything in a like a word problem where students find even struggle to understand the question. So I need to find mean of this. I need to find median of this. Median is simple 7.5, but mean will be some 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, a very big number. So please do remember, if the mean of the set, most important point, if the mean of the set is way greater than the median, when it will happen? If there are some terms in the set which are way bigger than the other numbers in the set. Again, I'm repeating, if at all, when can I say mean of the given set is way higher than the median? When there are few terms in the set which are way bigger than the other numbers in the set. If that happens, the mean will automatically be too high, the median will be like normal. Please do try to understand these concepts, and the concepts that I explained here, these are important. This page and this page. If the smallest number is removed, mean will increase. If the greatest number is removed, the mean will decrease. Even if the one term changes, mean will change. If you reduce the terms less than the median or increase the terms greater than the median will not change. This is the most important. Very few can recognize this. For the given set, if mean is very bigger than the median, it happens when if there are few terms in the set which are way bigger than the other numbers in the set. Okay, so I need to know these concepts. If I know these concepts, and again, this formula looks very simple but very powerful. 90% of the questions we can solve using only this. Using all these right now, I'll make you solve actual SAT questions. I'll take some 10-15 minutes extra here. If you have any other plans, please do postpone 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes. I'll take some extra. I'll try to solve from now till next 30-40 minutes, 30-35 minutes. I'll try to solve as many as original questions based on mean and median, and you'll get 3 questions minimum on mean and median in the exam. So if you can listen to this 1 hour class perfectly, 3 questions on your pocket. And 90% of the students make mistakes because they don't understand the terminologies. They think mean means sum of the terms by number of terms. They can't do application of whatever the concepts I explained right now. Median also, they think middlemost value, but they don't know they are finding for x-axis or for y-axis, or when they give in bar graph, or when they give in tables. They find it very difficult to find because they never had practice and they don't understand what exactly is happening. Okay, yeah. Now let me open the questions based on, let me open a different paper, and then I'll come back to this paper if required. I'm opening some random paper. In this paper, whatever the question that is there based on the mean, median, and mode, will be doing that. Okay, yeah. Whatever the question that is there on mean, median, and mode, will be doing them. No. I will quickly rush off to identify the questions. No. Even you should be so fast in identifying the questions. If you can identify question, 90% you are the winner, because you are able to identify question means you know the concept well. About until foundation, no more than no. And good part is 99% you'll get mean and median questions on section 4. 99%. No. It's not, no. 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 Probability. There is probability. We'll do in one class. Yeah, this looks something. What is the approximate age of the American tree with a diameter of 12 inches? No. 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 If I miss anything, if you find it, you please let me know here. If the student in the class represents the student is number of more than 2 siblings. No. Do you something? Which of the following approximate version price of the green property? No. This one is no. The rest is removed from the main score. Please do solve 27th question. Everyone in the class should solve. Everyone in the class should solve and give me answer. Everyone should give me your answer. Please type your answer in the chat box. Type your answer for question number 27 in the chat box. Start. Three students have given me answer. Very good. Everyone should give me answer. Everyone in the class should give me your answer. Simple question. You just need to know sum of the terms by number of the terms. Sum of the terms by number of terms. Very good. Good. SSV, you made a small mistake. Come on, just redo. Okay. Abhinav, you made a small mistake here. Please redo. Simple, right? The question is simple. Even others should be fast. If you are fast, I can solve more questions. So 8 players are there. The mean is 8. Mean of 8 players. So is 14.5. How many players are there? 8 players are there. So what is the sum? Sum is equal to 8 into 14.5. 8 into 14.5 is 80 plus 112 plus 4, 116. 8 into 14.5 is 116. Now there are only 7 players. So what is the scores of the 7 players? Average scores 12. 7 into 12 is 84. So for 8 scores it is 116. For 7 scores it is 7 into 12 is 84. So 116 minus 84, which is 32. See how simple is this question. Everyone should solve. Junaid, very good. Arsha, you made a small mistake. Arsha, Pawan, okay. Arni also made a minor mistake. So this is all. So some of the 8 students, scores of the 8 students is 116. Some of the scores of the 7 students. So who made mistakes? It is an opportunity for you to learn where you are making mistakes so that you'll not repeat and you'll become perfect. Okay, yeah. I see some students getting visa rejected at the end. They do everything, at the end visa get rejected. But they know the pain, they know the importance of each and everything. They become so alert. I see those people, once they can apply second time, it is not a big deal. They will, most of them will get first time. It depends on luck too sometimes. So there might be tensed. So, since they know the pain, they know the value, they do a lot better when they go to the school. That is what generally applies. So you make mistakes. It's not that I'm asking you to wantedly make mistakes. If you make mistakes and you realize the mistake, you are the winner. That is what I see with the students. Okay, so these are the functions. Landscape length of is this thing. What was the average speed in miles per hour during the morning? Yeah, we can solve question number 37. Question number 37. Everyone in the class can solve wherever is the average. Speed is equal to distance by time. Average speed. Speed is distance by time. Total distance by total time. Sum of the terms by number of terms. Wherever I see average, definitely it is a mean. So this question is referred to this. Please do find what is the average speed in miles per hour during her drive that morning. Miss Simon's workday morning drive. Segment of the drive, distance, average, driving speed with no traffic delays. Okay. Sam drove a talking to the results in miles and the average driving in miles per hour. And there is no traffic. One morning we drove directly from our home to work for 25 minutes. What was her average speed in miles per hour during her drive that morning? Okay, very good. You should type your answer in the chat box. Please be fast. Average speed. Speed is there. So average is sum of the terms by number of terms. So since I have average speed, total distance. Sum of the terms is total distance by total time. Simple question here. Simple question. You need to be a bit careful. 3 students gave me answer. 3 gave 3 different answers. 3 students gave me answers. 3 gave 3 different answers. Everyone should give me the same answer here. Please do work on. Find out what is the total distance, what is the total time. Total time already given. Okay, it is up to you. I don't want to. 3 students have given me the answers. Very good. 4 have given me answers. 5, but 5 give 5 different answers. None of you have given me the same answer. None of you have given me the same answer. I think one says 36.6. Oh, RNA only. Okay. No, not at all good yet. So simple question. When I explain this question, you laugh on your face. Array, why I'm so careless, or why I'm not able to find total distance and total time. Everything is given. It is such an easy question. Only thing is you should know what is average. That's it. Let me see. I'm giving you time. Okay, people are giving answers, but none of you are given the same answer here. But I think let me see what should be answered. What is the average speed? Average speed is total distance, sum of the terms, total distance I traveled by total time I took, number of terms. Number of terms is total time. One morning, Miss Simon drove directly from her home to her workplace in 24 minutes. What was her average speed in miles per hour during her drive that morning? If you make this mistake, no, here I cannot spare you. See here how simple is this. I'm telling you average speed is total distance. So total distance is 0.6 plus 15.4, 16, 16 plus 1.4, 17, 16 plus 17.4 miles. Average speed, AS means average speed, 17.4 miles. By I want in miles per hour. Total time she took is 24 minutes, but I want in hours. So 24 by 60. So it becomes total distance by total time. That's simple. You should know that. If you know that, you are the winner. But see, for this, how we are complicating the things. What is the total distance she needs to travel if she want to go from home to office? 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4, 17.4 miles. What is the total time? Clearly, I mentioned because I don't want to risk you. I told it takes 24 minutes, but I want in miles per hour. 24 minutes is 24 by 60 hours. So 17.4 into 60 by 24. Use your wonderful calculators. Let me also use, if I ask you, you will say even for this different answers, which I don't like. So, but now you need to realize, array, why I'm giving mistake for such simple question? I'm doing some high level 11th grade, 10th grade math. Why should I give mistake is what you need to realize here. Divided by 24. So, answer should be 43.5. Only 43.5 is correct. Rest of all the options are wrong. So whoever has given 43.5, I rounded off. Who asked you to round off? Are they asking round off to the nearest integer? But my concern is, how many has given 43.5? I can count the people who have given 43.5. I think Abhinav, Neha, Lasya, Junaid, and Mayuka. So see, I'm not here to criticize someone or I'm not here to praise someone, but we need to. So everyone thought average means what is there? Sum of the terms by number of terms. For average, I can add anything. I can ask you average speed or whatever it is. Speed is total distance, that is sum of the terms by number of terms. Easy question or difficult question? Everyone in the class will know so easy questions are, but I thought that and this, no, it is not going to work. SAT, we don't have an option. Okay, now let me take another paper. How many more minutes? So this is related to percentages. So when I give in the next class, I'll make you solve that question. So I think I solved the questions which are there in this paper. Now let me take another paper. It's very interesting. When I'm doing mean and median questions, it is very interesting. So now let me solve. Let me go to section 4 directly. Let me just glance once in section 3. Rarely I might find mean questions. Sometimes. No. I'll go to section 4 directly. Yeah, none of them are there here. None of them are. No, that is simultaneous equations. Okay, no. These are all actual questions. Why I'm taking so much pain and glancing and showing it to you? Because you need to get confidence. Okay, actual questions are easy. Only thing is we should listen to what Venkat says properly and put our efforts. Okay, so no. The cost for how to the following cost in dollars. So these are quadratic functions. This is an theory question. So next class I'll discuss how to solve the theory questions that you are going to get as part of the exam. How will the quantity product supply to the market change the price of the increase by $10? This is supply and demand. So for the swing that took the initial hard no, this is line of best fit, exponential linear growth. This is percentages. This is this. In article, these will need a combination and will need solution. No, theory question. This is exponential. Rectangle was already what is value? Percentages question. This is probability. So here I could not find any question so far. What was the mean age of the person? So 32 question is one thing. Figures of the investment at least no So 32. Everyone in the class should solve question number 32 and give me proper answer. Everyone in the class should solve and give me perfect answer for 32. Simple question. You just need to find mean. I request everyone to take photo so that I can just glance what are the other questions are there. Everyone just take photo of this. In the latest papers, you get minimum 3 questions. Minimum. It can go up to even 5 questions. The minimum number of questions that you can get is minimum 3. So the question they're asking is, what is the mean age in years of the presidents at the beginning of their terms? What is the mean age of the presidents at the beginning of their terms? I just need to find the mean age. Please do take photo so that I can glance to the what is the least? Okay, this is 35th is also 35, 30, 35. At how many suppose on average are waiting in the check language and good service. 35 and 32. First, you please solve 32, then we'll solve 35th question. Both the questions. 32 and 35. Yeah. You can see the table. Sorry. Everyone should give me answer. 8 students give me answer. Everyone in the class should give me answer here. Very good. 14 students have given me answer there. Everyone should give me answer here. Everyone should be active in the class. Very good. 16, 17 have given me the answers. Perfect. 19 have given me the answers. Very good. So, but most of them have given, some have given 60. Why do you get different answers here? God will give us only one opportunity. Do you know the importance of one question that I always say in the class? Andaman and America. One question is Andaman and America. What is this? What is Venkat is speaking? What is this here? Suppose you get this question correct, you get good scores, you'll get to go to American university. You get less scores, you need to land up in some Andaman university. Every question is important. Keep this in mind, you will not make mistakes. So I gave the ages. I'm just asking you to find their mean age. So 57 plus 62 plus 58 plus 58 plus 59 plus 58, 62, 55, 68, 51, 50, 65. I need to add them and divide by 12. So 110, 110, 160, 210, 260, 310, 370, 420, 480, 530, 580, 580, 640. 9, 17, 25, 25, 34, 42, 44, 49, 50, 58, 63. If I did some mistake, please excuse me, or you can use your wonderful calculator. So 703 by 12, 5 12s are 60, 5 12s are 60. So 103, 8 12s are 96. So 5 12s are 60, 103, 8 12s are 96, 7. So 7 means 5 12s are 60 again, 5 12s are 60, 100. So round your answer to the nearest 10th. So what do I get? 703 by 12. I got 58.5. 58.5. Just 1 second. Let me use this. 1 second. Yeah. 703 by 12. You can use your wonderful calculators in the exam. Okay, 703 divided by 58.58. So answer should be 58.6. This is also most important. I need to rounding off. No, sir, I thought 58.5 mark. No one is going to give you mark. You should answer 58.6. Whoever marked 58.6, they are only correct. Yeah. No need to say, sorry and everything here. We need to, by end of the day, why we are here, why we are in my class, why did you join my coaching institute? To get good scores. When will you get good score? When you realize your weak areas and work on them. For SAT, you should not leave your other extracurricular activities, your academics, everything should go on smartly. You need to prepare the strategies we are teaching. We are very good at this, I know. We need to prepare the strategies that we are teaching, implement, realize your weak areas, learn the concepts, learn the best way to solve the questions, become fast in solving the questions, become confident. Every question by every class. After this class, you see mean and median question in the exam, you need to grab it with both the hands and solve them, because you are so confident. You'll be definitely confident because I'm making you solve actual questions. This I did without calculator here till 703 by 12, 58.5 also did. Then 100, 8 12 or 96. I just want to clarify, so I did use the calculator. You have wonderful calculators. Then why are you making mistakes? So final answer should be 58.6, because he's asking you to round off to the nearest to 10th. Rounding is of this word is important, because of these students who don't know, they make mistakes. So what is the meaning of rounding off to the nearest 10th? Suppose if I have 79.5469, 9 is called tens. Sorry, units. 7 is called tenths. 0.5 is called tenths. 9 is units. 7 is tenths. Fourth is called hundredth. Why? Because 0.5 is 5 by 10. What is 0.54? 54 by 100. Hundredths. Thousandth. 10,000. So I need to round off to the nearest tenth. So see the number after this. If it is 5 or greater than 5, we need to round off to the next number. So 58.6 is the only correct answer for this question. No, sir, I got 58.5. I marked 59. No, computer will not give you marks. In computer, it is fixed as only 58.6. So every question, Andaman and America, so important to me. Okay, so answer for 32nd question is 58.6. The question has taught us very good lessons. So if you have marked something else, so please do realize and see. Very few students, I think, Abhiram, Pavan, Lahari, Harini, yes, these are the students who gave me, but very few have come very closer to answer, but either they rounded off or some mistake. So I like the question where many students are making mistakes, means it is not a final exam. So question is teaching us the ways we think, the mistakes we need to avoid. Okay, yeah, 35th question. Please do solve 35th question, everyone in the class, and give me answer fast. I'll take extra time, some 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'll solve some questions. Please be with me and solve. You just blindly follow me. I can assure you will get close to 800. 800 is very difficult here. You need to get 58 out of 58. In hurry, you might make one mistake, but if you are my student, I'll try to get closer to 58. So early. Saturday party. Okay, good. Everyone should solve 35th question and give me your answer. Very good. Everyone should give me answer here. I got only few answers there. Six students gave me answer. I don't know how many of you are correct. Everyone should give me answer and everyone should be correct. It's simple, basic, mean question. Non-end store receives customer satisfaction between 0 to 100. First 10 rating the store receives the average of the statement. What is the least value of the store condition? Very good question. Good question. Very good question. Eight students gave me answer. Let me see your answers. Okay, everyone has given some says 0, some says 95, some of you says 80, some of you says 50. No, here you should get same answer here. You should not get different answer. Everyone should get same answer, but I can see 3-4 different answers there. My problem is some students thinking they're very good. They are the ones who are making more mistakes. Even you make one mistake, you cannot get 800. Our intention is getting as many questions as correct as possible. Please keep your brain and heart when you are solving a question. Both your brain and heart should be there. Even 1% deviation you get wrong. SAT is, see for the example, first question. I did not read the complete question. I just read the end. I thought median number of goals scored, but they're asking something else. You need to be 100% active when you're looking at the questions. An online store receives a customer satisfaction rating. Complete simple question based on the, it is a simple question that is based on the averages. Okay. So let me solve and give you the answer. Let me tell you what should be answer for this. So online store satisfaction between 0 to 100. For the first 10 ratings. So 10 customers gave the ratings and they gave rating as 75. So the average rating is 75. 75 is equal to sum of the 10 customers by 10. So first 10 customers, sum of the rating is 750. 75 into 10 is 750. Now I need for 20 people, 10 and 10 more have joined. For these 20 people, the rating is 85. Sum of the 20 by 20. So sum of the ratings for the 20 people is 85 into 12, which is 1700. Listen to me carefully. 1700 is for 20 people. For first 10 people is 750. So remaining 10 people, some of them should be 950. Correct, right? So, yeah, 950. So 10 people already, some has 750. Remaining 10 people, some should be 950. So now my question is, there are 10 people here, 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 20. What should be the minimum score? What should be the minimum? What should be the least value the store can receive? What is the minimum score the 11th person can receive? And so when this person should receive, suppose I know each score is between 0 to 100. 12th person will score 100, 100, 100. So remaining 9 people can give 100, 100, 100, 900. He cannot give less than 50. So the minimum score that the 11th person rating should give is 50. You don't have an option. Under this case, what is the minimum score that the 11th person can give? 50, because these people cannot give more than 100. Even if they give 100, 100, 100, 9 people have given 900, so the 11th person will give 50. So answer for 35th question should be 50. Only 50 is correct. Remaining all options are wrong. So whoever have given 50, very good. You understood what exactly you need to be done. So answer for 35th question is 50. 50 is your wonderful answer. Let me take this other one paper. I think ninth I started, I left in between. There are many other papers, we'll do them later. In ninth, one or two questions let me do till 8:15. I'll do some 1-2 questions if I find out. So if there is any question here, it is good for us to solve. This already we solved. This is percentages question. This also we solved. Uh, these are not mean and median questions. So after the class, mean and median, what is the line of the best relative to increase the minimum wage over the 70-year period? This is in fact, it is a mean question, but I don't know how many of you can solve. So I don't want to irritate you right now, but when I'm explaining you scatter plot, I'll tell you. But 29th is a mean question. So many questions on quadratic functions. This we already solved. Uh, if there is any question on mean, I'll just solve mean or median. I don't know what is the maximum number of 100. And there is only 100. No. Biologist. We'll spend good amount of time on solving word problems. So we are already solving, but I'll give some 3 to 4 classes for solving more and more word problems. If we can solve, no, I cannot find in this paper. I'll just open 10th paper. We'll solve 1 or 2 questions, and I'm just coming from back, just because generally the back questions are difficult. So this is very easy question. 33rd, everyone in the class should be able to solve. 33rd, just give me your answer. Simple question. Everyone should be able to solve. Direct question. You're lucky. Sometimes even you can get such direct questions. Everyone, please do solve 33rd question. Simple direct question. 33rd. $700 plus 1200 plus 1600 plus 2000 plus x by 5 is equal to 1600. So 1605 is 8000. 8000 is equal to 1900 to 3500. 5500 plus x. So x is 2500. As simple as that. Simple, right? I will solve one difficult question. Yeah, very good. We'll solve one difficult question and we'll leave the class. What is the meaning of 1.18 in the class? This is slope. I'll cover to you. Okay, this is not. This is not. Which of the following is the equation of the line of the best fit? No, no, no. Decreasingly, the maximum radiation of the must be calculated for the new data set than for the original data set. Okay, that is not based on mean and median, so I'm skipping that. So we'll definitely have one mean and median, which is the following statement. What is the following is the ratio? No, the means are the same. Standard deviations are different. So this is a question on based on mean and standard deviation. Again, you'll get stuck. So okay, just try to answer 11th. 11th question is also important. Standard deviation is deviation from the mean. So with the knowledge that you have deviation from the mean, deviation, more and more deviation, standard deviation is more. If with that concept, you'll be definitely able to solve. Try to give me answer for 11th question. That would be the last question for the day. Then I'll send you some questions, try to send you some questions, but it might also have range, standard deviation, and some other concepts. Don't worry, you please do solve. Neha, I'll send you some videos here. Please do listen to those videos whenever you get time. Everyone solve, please do solve question number 11. Everyone in the class should solve question number 11. Perfect. So by looking at this data, okay, you solve, then I'll explain. Okay, you look, you solve. Standard deviation is how the given data is deviating. More and more deviation, more standard deviation. Less and less deviation, or the numbers are closer, less standard deviation. That's it. But definitely I'll explain with good examples so that in exam you'll be able to solve them happily without much burden. Good, very good. Almost 15 students gave me answers, even others. Just put up your answer. So if anyone says the standard deviations are same, I'll beat them. Are the numbers same? 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. Definitely the numbers are closer in list B. Since the numbers are closer in list B, standard deviation of B should be less than standard deviation of A, because the numbers are closer in list B. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. The numbers are far away in list A. The numbers are bit far away in list A. So definitely standard deviation should be definitely different. It cannot be the same. That is going to help us, that will help us to eliminate two options. B and D are eliminated. If any student is giving B and D as options, I'll beat them. They're not good because the numbers are clear. I'm telling you, standard deviation is simple. How closer the numbers are, closer the numbers, less deviation. Greater the deviation in numbers, more standard deviation. Now answer should be A or C. Between A and C, find the mean. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 15, 21, 21 by 6, which is 7 by 2 3.5. Fun. 5, 5, 8, 12, 16, 16, 21, 21 by 6. So means are same, but the standard deviations are different. So definitely I'll opt A for Agra is my answer. Whoever gave me A for Agra, you are thinking well. So there are other concepts like scatter plot, box plots, and everything. I'll discuss step by step. So, but in today's class, we discussed only mean and median. Even I'll send you some assignments. Solve only mean and median questions. Don't worry about other questions. Okay, it might have even other questions. Even in these papers, I might have missed some questions. Later on, later stages, I'll make you solve. But these are all actual questions. If you listen to the concepts I explained and solve the questions, you are good at that. 3 questions are in our pocket. With today's class, we became perfect in 3 questions. Again, I'll see you on Tuesday. And one more thing, I got a complaint, this complaint from the English teacher that most of you are not attending the classes. No, you have any problem with English, anything, I am responsible till you get scores because your parents are paying money to my institute. I am responsible till you are successful. Till you join, I'm telling you truth. Till you join my course, I'm least concerned. But once you join my course, you don't have an option. I don't have an option. We need to work together to get good scores. I'm a person. Now I kept my phone switched off. Why? Because class is more important to me. If I keep my phone open, 2, 3 more parents might contact me. I might call them after the class. No, I don't want even 1% disturbance to my class because class is most important. Who join my institute are more important to me. So if you can't understand something, you're having some problem with something, please let me know, but you need to put 100% efforts. Writing, again, I'm repeating, in SAT or ACT, writing part is more easy. You just need to identify which grammar type, which type of question it is from, like the way you identify math question. The moment you can identify, if you know the rules, even there are rules in that. If you know the rules, you can solve the question in seconds. I gave you wonderful books. If you don't have, I'll give you the books. Please go through them, learn the concepts, come to the class, see how the teacher is teaching that concept. Try to get hold of the concept. We have expert teachers. Everyone will do their best. You have any problem, I'm always there for you. But you need to put efforts. Please do remember that. Okay. Yeah, your teacher will see on Monday's class. I need to see full attendance like you are coming for the math classes and complete all the work they are giving. Even I'm going to send mean and median question. In the next classes, I'm going to give you, I'm going to solve all the questions on the topics, more and more questions on the topics that I've explained in the class. I'll give you, let me see how many of you have understood perfectly. If you're able to solve them, you can happily go and take the exam. Math, it is my responsibility to help you to get 800. Pakka, you'll get 800. Only thing is you need to blindly follow and do whatever we are saying. Even same thing with writing. Blindly follow your English teacher, whatever she's saying, and do all the assignments. I'm sure you'll get close to 400, but you should know the rules and you should know all the grammar topics. Okay, and the terminologies, mainly the terminologies are important there. All the best here. I'll see you in the next class. I'll send you this, I'll upload this video in my channel. You can watch who did not understand, and even I'll send you the questions. Please do solve them. All the best. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Good night. Bye.
Thank you.
Good morning. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.